Hi, welcome to Sparkling Memories, a place where you could build healthy relationship with food pairs for yourself. And today what we have in front of you is some chicken breast that we cut up so it could be a little bit more like nuggets. So let's go ahead and get started. Here are the ingredients. We have the chicken already washed. As you see there, I already rinsed them and everything. And then I have my ingredients from the olive oil, onion powder, garlic powder. This is the buttermilk chicken ranch seasoning, then paprika, and we have the grill mates, roasted garlic, and herb. I'm also going to add some other ingredients besides these as I go along also. So once you mix them up, it looks something like this. And this is before you put it in the refrigerator. Now these are other ingredients. The breadcrumbs with the Romano cheese, Italian style. We have the Parmesan, of course, more Romano cheese. Yeah, so I'm not going to use a whole lot of that since the breadcrumbs already have Romano cheese. And it's the silk milk almond flavor, the vanilla. 50% more calcium than the regular cow milk. So once we put that in, we're going to put the milk mixture inside. I'm not using no kind of egg. I just put in the milk inside. And I'm here pushing down the chicken a little bit so it could be a little bit more in the marinated vanilla silk almond milk. At this point, I just want to go ahead and cover it and put it in the refrigerator. I would say anywhere from like an hour and a half to 2 hours, so you can marinate with all the seasoning. And then of course the almond milk make it even better, because with this new seasoning that I'm trying is actually gonna make it a little different. So with that marinated, I already drained some of it, so I'm coming in with the breadcrumbs that has in the cheese. See, it had a lot of liquid because of the milk, so I have to drain that out. Because if you leave it in there and then try and put in the breadcrumbs, it's not going to work the way you want it to. You're just supposed to soak in it, and then you put it in the breadcrumbs and you shake it up. And then you put it in a separate container before you actually carry it into the frying area. Whether you're using a skillet or using a pot that you normally fry in, that's when you do that. So now I have it here in a mixture. I'm just going to take the cover that you see here and cover it and then shake it up. It is way easier than trying to put the crumbs on yourself and then pressing it down. The shaking it up gives you a lot more even coat. So at this point, we are going to the frying. This is the part I normally do when I want to do my deep frying, because I don't have a deep fryer. So I have everything set aside. So now I'm doing the cooking on there. I like to get like a golden brown on each side. I would do anywhere from 3 to 4 minutes. And then flip them over, and then it'll cook for additional 2 minutes. So about 5 minutes altogether in the pot. Because they're very small and the layer of coating is not very thick because I use the breadcrumbs. So it's not double battered or anything. So it might take a little longer when it comes. If your batter is thicker, it will take longer for it to cook. But with these and the size and how hot it was, it didn't need to be in there longer than the 5 to 6 minutes total. Not on each side, total, because you want a nice golden brown color, especially when you plan to reheat this another time and you're not eating all at once. You don't want to overcook it and it don't do exactly what you need it to get done. So with that being said, I'm showing you the batter before, and this is the after, what you want to make it look like. So till next time, this is Miss Susie around for Sparkling Memories. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Bye bye.